Welcome, friends, to the channel Classy Frugality. My name is Tanya, and I'm so glad you've decided to join me today. On today's video, we're going to make some poor man's chili. That's what I call it. It is delicious, it is economical, and it makes enough to feed an army. So if you are looking for things that fit that bill, if you're looking for a one-pot recipe that you could use to maybe eat today and can the rest of them, it's perfect. If you're looking for food for a party, it's perfect. It's just all around a good meal. So stick with me for that, and then after that, I'm going to show you a couple things I found at the Dollar General in the dollar aisle. So I hope you enjoy today's video. So I started out by just adding 2 pounds of kidney beans, dried kidney beans, to my crock pot, some water, and I just put about 3 little bay leaves down in there. That helps give it some good flavor. I have turned that on high for 6 hours and just put the lid on there. I have found that things cook a little quicker if I add some foil to the top. It reflects that heat back. I have my spices laid out and ready, just some onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika, a couple cans of tomato sauce if I need them. And I got my Festive taco seasoned ground turkey out of the freezer, and I'm going to put it down in the fridge to be thawing out to add to this. So these beans have been in the crock pot for roughly 5.5 hours, and they look perfect. I'm going to remove the bay leaves, discard those. I'm just going to stir these beans up. That was two whole pounds right there of kidney beans. And this is perfect. 5.5 hours on high. These are perfect. Some of them are slightly mushy, and that's the consistency that I like. They smell good. They haven't been seasoned yet, but I'm gonna prepare the meat. I had a few onions left over, so I just diced those up, put these in a pan, and I have a whole pound of Festive taco seasoned ground turkey that we are going to prepare and put in our chili. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and get that fried up. Our ground turkey has finished frying, so I'm just going to pour this whole thing in here. This is not grease. This is actually water. I like to add a little bit of water to my ground turkey as I'm frying it in the skillet. And I want to pour all that in there because that is straight flavor. Use this to stir. And it smells so good. You can already see it's looking like chili. I opened up just one little 8-ounce container of tomato sauce. I'm going to add that in. This should be all that we need in here. If we end up needing more later, I have another can I'll open up. Stir that in. And this meat is already seasoned. But I'm going to add just a few more things here. You add whatever you have, whatever you want. Have a little bit of onion powder. Let me open the other side. Because I actually added very little onion. And I'm not even going to count it in the cost of this. The amount of onion that I had was probably a tablespoon or so. It wasn't much. It was just something I had left over. A little bit of garlic powder. Just a little bit of that. Some paprika. And a little bit of black pepper, ground black pepper. A little bit of chili powder. Put that in there. And that should be plenty. We'll just stir this up, let it sit just a little bit, and it'll be ready to eat. It smells good, it looks good, and literally all it has in it is kidney beans, ground turkey, tiny bit of onion, tiny bit of tomato sauce, just a few seasonings. Boy, that's going to be so good. Well, we just got done eating our lunch. Prentice and I had a big bowl of chili each, and we ate ours with crackers and some cheese. And I also added a little bit of hot sauce and some jalapeno peppers to mine because I like a little bit more heat in mine than he does. I added just a tad more chili powder into my personal bowl of chili too. So I wanted to break down the cost of this chili for you to show you just how affordable it is and just how much it makes. My slow cooker, my crock pot, is a 6 quart. So it holds quite a bit. It's really good for making a large quantity of food. That way you can have a lot to serve to guests, or you can have leftovers for yourself for 2 or 3 days. We like to do that a lot. I only used kidney beans, pre-seasoned ground turkey, tomato sauce, and just a scant bit of onion and some spices in here. So for the 2 pounds of great value kidney beans that I used, those were $1.22 a bag for a total of $2.44. I also used 1 pound of Festive taco seasoned ground turkey. It was $1.98. I used the taco seasoned ground turkey because seasonings in chili and taco are very much the same. So it'll give you that same kind of flavor profile you're looking for if you use that. And the taco seasoned ground turkey is the same price as the regular ground turkey. So for anytime I want to make tacos or chili or something, that's the kind that I go for. It saves me money in buying extra seasoning packets or using the seasonings that I have quicker. I also used an 8-ounce can of Great Value tomato sauce, 48 cents. And then I threw in an extra 10 cents for what few spices extra that I added in there and the little onion pieces that I added in. I mean, you saw it. It was literally just a tiny little handful of what was left. And also for the water I put in the pot. That came out to a grand total of $5. It was $4.90, and then the addition of the extra 10 cents for those other things just rounded it out to $5. That means, and these were all ingredients from Walmart, by the way, in case I didn't say that. That means that in that 6 quart crock pot, which I had full, that makes it 83 cents a quart. Now, there are 4 cups in a quart. So that means there were 24 servings that we got out of that. That means out of that $5, those 24 servings, those servings were roughly 21 cents a cup. If you do a 1 cup serving, 21 cents. Now that's really just a super great deal. And that's why I call it poor man's chili. Now, I used to make chili a little differently. I would use ground beef. That has gone up to like $5 a pound now. I no longer buy that. I only buy this Festive ground turkey. That's if I'm going to make hamburgers, spaghetti, whatever you would normally use ground beef for. I just purchased this $1.98 a pound ground turkey. And let's hope the price stays like that for a long time. So this would be a great thing to make if you're having guests over. or, you know, if you're having a party, or like I stated earlier, if you just want to make something that will last you for a few days to have for supper at night, and then maybe to take for your lunch at work the next day if you work, or just to share. I will leave the details for all this, including the ingredients I used and the price and all this stuff. I'll leave that down in the description box below. But it sure was good, and it's stuff like chili only gets better as it sits. The flavors meld together and it gets thicker. So I've been to the Dollar General, and you know, I always peruse the dollar aisle to see what they have, and I found a couple of items there that either I hadn't seen before or I hadn't seen in a while, or they carried something similar before and then now they have a new product like it. So I found just a couple things here that I wanted to show you. I got several things in the dollar aisle, candy and some other stuff. But I found the cutest, look at this. This is a plastic container. I needed some soap for Prentice's bathroom in there. Look at this, how cute. Country Lemonade liquid hand soap. And it looks like a mason jar. It's just as cute as it can be. They had another one that was purple. I feel like it might have been lilac, but $1. So cute. I feel like this would be a good gift closet item. And I think it would be really cute if you had some black and white polka dot ribbon, you know, like a wide bow and tie bow up there. That would be so cute. Or put it in a clear cellophane bag, tie a burlap bow around it, put like a craft paper gift tag. How cute. So I definitely picked one of these up for $1. Should have gotten more. Also, I needed some shampoo, and I found this monster of a bottle of shampoo. It was 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, Silkient's Hair Care Pro Formula. This is a 32-ounce bottle right here for $1. I've used Silkient's in the past, and I was fine with it. My hair care needs aren't that complicated, so I can pretty much use whatever shampoo and conditioner that I need to. I usually get like VO5 or White Rain, or what's the other one that's real cheap like that. I usually just get those, or something from Dollar Tree. But I thought, man, for $1 for this big monster bottle, I couldn't pass this up. So make sure you check out your Dollar Tree. Oh, I also got these for myself. I like to get these, keep these at work. But this is not a new product, but it was $1. Anyway, I hope that you are having a great week so far, and that you have had a blessed and safe week as well. If you liked this video, I would appreciate if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not a member of the Classy Frugality family, please hit that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love to have you. Till I see you again, have a blessed week.